If you have been heartbroken, loved someone who didn't love you back, or still waiting for the right person, then this video is for you. Love is something we all grow up hearing about, पर सच ये है कि लव वैसा नहीं होता है जैसे हमें स्टार्टिंग में लगता है. इट ऑल स्टार्ट्स एट home, our parents, the family dynamics we see around us. That is where our initial idea of love is formed. फिर जब हमें थोड़ा मूवीज का एक्सपोजर मिलता है तो हमें लगता है love should be like this. But when we grow up and experience relationships of our own, we realize it's much more complex. So I have been through this emotional roller coaster too, and now happily married. But whenever I look back, I realize I have learned so much on my journey to finding the right partner. So let's talk about the truth behind real love and how to know if someone is the one for you. हो सकता है अभी आप एक ऐसे इंसान के साथ हो जो कहने के लिए तो आपके साथ है बट स्टिल यू फील इमोशनली डिस्कनेक्टेड, एंड दैट इज अ पेनफुल ट्रूथ. Being with the wrong person can make you feel invisible. Many of us stay in relationships because we fear being alone, but being with someone who doesn't value you can hurt more than being single. If you feel emotionally neglected, misunderstood, you have to talk to your partner about it. But if still he or she doesn't care your feelings, it's better to walk away before you lose yourself. If you keep trying to connect with someone who is emotionally unavailable, in the process you will lose your connection with yourself. And yes, there will be days when your partner has a bad mood or needs space, and that is okay. But if it becomes a pattern, it's time to rethink. Real love isn't about being in love all the time. It's about showing love even when life gets tough. When your partner is not in the best headspace, or when your partner is going through a career struggle, there could be many reasons. But जब आप अपने 20s में होते हो, स्पेशली रिलेशनशिप्स माइट सीम ईजी. आप हैंग आउट करते हो, एक दूसरे की कंपनी आपको अच्छी लगती है, बट एज लाइफ मूव्स ऑन, लव इज मच डीपर देन जस्ट दैट. अब आप खुद सोच के देखो, आप हर टाइम सेम रहते हो क्या? आपको भी मूड स्विंग्स होते हैं, हर टाइम आपके इमोशन सेम नहीं होते हैं, तो आप ये चीजें अपने पार्टनर से एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो, क्योंकि उसके साथ भी ऐसा होता है. सो डोंट एक्सपेक्ट हिम और हर टू बिहेव परफेक्टली ऑल द टाइम. डोंट जस्ट आस्क फॉर लव. अंडरस्टैंड एंड नर्चर योर पार्टनर्स नीड्स टू. I understand losing someone hurts, but losing yourself to keep someone is worse. अगर रिलेशनशिप में आपको फील करवाया जाता है दैट यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ, और फिर भी आप ये सब सह रहे हो, दैट्स not love. That's your emotional dependency on that person. Love is about growing together and being each other's best friend. अगर आप बेस्ट फ्रेंड बनकर रहते हो तो आप साथ में ग्रो करोगे. And whenever two people grow together, they focus less on their differences. जब आप साथ में ग्रो करते हो ना, तो लाइफ में बहुत अलग अलग टाइप के जब चैलेंजेस आते हैं तो आप उनको साथ में मिलकर फेस करते हो, और ये सारी सिचुएशंस आपके रिलेशनशिप को और ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथन करती है, उनको स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाती है. और साथ में ग्रो करते करते ग्रेजुअली यू विल लर्न टू अडेप्ट, टू कम्युनिकेट एंड टू ग्रो थ्रू एवरी हार्डशिप. If you are tired of waiting or feel like true love doesn't exist, or maybe you are watching other people's love stories unfold and thinking it will never be your turn. But remember, someone else's story is not your story. Just because आपके आसपास बहुत सारे breakups हो रहे हैं, divorce हो रहे हैं, it doesn't mean that will be your fate too. This mindset is very dangerous. Positivity, maturity and patience are key to building a healthy, lasting relationship. कभी भी ना true love ढूंढने के चक्कर में perfection मत ढूंढो. It's not about perfection. It's about respect, understanding and growing together through every challenge of life. Arguments are normal, but there is a big difference between disagreeing and letting your ego take over. Real love means you argue, you disagree, but you always respect each other. You are a team. You may have disagreements, but you communicate openly, you value each other's space and freedom. Most importantly, you solve problems together. और जब कभी भी आपको कुछ bother करता है ना, don't bottle it up. वो accumulate होता जाता है. Just talk about it. Holding everything in can lead to bigger problems later. और हमेशा याद रखना, love isn't about winning the argument, it's about winning together. And at the end of the day, love isn't about finding someone perfect, it's about finding someone real, someone who chooses you through every fight, every fear, every struggle. If this video helped clear your thoughts, drop a comment and share your thoughts. With this, I'm signing off. See you in the next one. Bye.